What's up, guys?
You know what to do? Shlimes, I'm back again with another
reaction video.
Yes, sir.
Guys, if you're new to the channel, please do yourself a favor and subscribe because you're not gonna be disappointed.
Yes, sir.
I'm William Tesla in case you want IG, and our platforms is William Tesla.
And I'm Marcus Kitchen on IG, crazy_identity.
And I'm Chris Kitchen on IG as Tesla Chris. And if you really want to follow us, you can find our handles in the bio description.
Yes, sir.
But anyway, guys, today reacting to Be First World Tour 2025 full concert performance at Novo. LA.
Yes,
sir.
FanCam.
This is FanCam. So yeah, shout out to you that sent in the link for this one. So,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
So
without
without wasting your time,
let's get to it. By the way, we've been reacting to parts of this performance.
Yes,
I was not paying attention and I just didn't film an intro, so I'm really sorry. But
she's the one who
see
took
we're going to Be First
this
today.
video.
It's crazy because I
This
literally
FanCam.
already saw them. We're seeing Be First
She looks
today.
excited, eh?
It's her
Very
first world
excited.
tour,
Shout out to
and
her.
LA is her first show. I'm
Shout out
really
to her.
excited. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy.
I hope she enjoyed.
Yeah, shout out. I think her name is Iris Ray. Shout out to Iris Ray. Shout out to her. She a body too, Novo
Novo.
stuff. Damn, this will be us soon.
Bro,
Taking
Oh, so
FanCams,
cute. What the heck?
vlogs. This will definitely be
Yeah,
us
this
soon.
one.
Konnichiwa.
Oh, konnichiwa is Japanese. I thought it's Chinese.
Oh my god.
Konnichiwa.
Or did it come out to check the sound only with the VIP
I think so.
before the rest came through?
And the VIP fans.
As excited performance.
Why did she say welcome to LA? Or Chelly? What?
He's so cute.
He's so cute. Oh, it's only women, eh?
The my nose is running so
It
different.
looks like we're the only male supporters.
Bro, I'm telling you.
Special today, yes. Everything's special. Everything so mother so boy so cool. Oh, thanks. Thank you. Next item. Okay. Is there anyone coming or show after the rehearsal? This rehearsal today? どんぐらいいますかこの後。
Oh yeah. Well, I was
Yeah. Yeah. I'm coming to your show.
To the what?
To the show.
The next one. Oh, after the sound check.
Yeah.
I think after the sound check. So this was the sound check.
So
VIP access only.
are you ready?
No.
This
It's
sounds
like a pre-performance for them.
Basically.
This is a new song. That's
Probably not a new song, but a song we haven't heard.
yeah.
Having a good time. The crowd.
Yeah.
I know. Hey, this song is actually different, eh? I know, you know. Hey. I don't think for the soundtrack they gave them the songs they were going to perform.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's giving anime. This song.
and like that sounds something like the outro, even the intro.
How long was the soundcheck?
That's a question.
They had to make everything perfect. Everything had to be perfect.
Sounds familiar.
Hey, hey, found you. Finally found you. Hey,
Vibe. A violent
found
vibe.
you. Hey, hey, finally found you. Don't let me know. Hey. Finally found you. Hey. Finally found you. Hey. Finally found you. Yes, sir.
Crazy.
Yes, sir. Oh, yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shout out to Iris Ray for this video. Shout out. Finally found you.
I already Leo. Say slum was. Remember something? Do you remember when slum was now?
Damn, it's only shorties.
Brando, my bro. His brother name is Brando, right? Yeah, my teacher. He's teacher. He's not teacher. Okay. He said, ice.
Why are these two pointing each other?
Fire. That's right. Not you. Last 2 years, so fire.
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 Hey, bro. Some of them can't even believe that. They did. Feels like a dream for some.
The girl in front, she's been taking pictures.
Bro.
Definitely moments to remember.
Moment to take it.
She's taking that picture.
She's taking
Wow.
each one. This is because this is the first tour. This will be a tour to remember and talk about. Once they become bigger than they are already.
Yeah.
So this is something
I was
huge.
part of the first tour.
I saw them as they, they grew up into this.
Just finish. Okay.
Junior.
Get ready for the show, and guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, guys. あとは何を言えばいいですか？マナトスしてみてくださいって指示が出てます。So we have to go back to makeup.
Yeah.
Back to makeup.
They gotta go get some makeup and get ready for the show. Probably do some rehearsals here and there. Get everything sorted. Yeah, but it's a good thing that there's access for VIP.
Yeah.
To the sound check. Fire.
Have fun.
Have fun.
Let's go.
And he is always the last one to come. He loves it. He loves it. He loves it. He loves the attention.
Who's
Shoot first.
Okay, here we go.
Drama.
Is this the main show now?
Yeah, I think it's the main show now.
Starting off as gotta watch out.
They had to. Yes, sir. So which means on each concert
That's
they
how they
start
start.
off with the mainstream.
Mainstream.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Quack, quack, quack. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Go to quack. Go to quack, quack, quack. Go to zoom, zoom, zoom. Go to quack.
Oh, she didn't take like full performance.
Full on
Just
it's like
parts.
parts.
I actually thought it was like a
Like
full
full on.
performance.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Quack, quack, quack. Gotta watch it. Get out. Go to quack.
Quack.
Hey.
Crazy. Yeah?
Hey.
Yeah.
Gotta watch out. Gotta watch out. Yes, sir. Gotta watch out. Let's go. Go to quack, quack, quack. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Go to quack.
Quack.
Do, 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 do. Let's go. Scream. Let's go. Oh. Now you face black. Now you face black. Yeah. And good with that. Uh-oh.
Damn. The effects behind the bass.
Bro. So tough. The pops and knuckle boiling crazy.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yo, Key.
Sure.
The screams are going crazy.
Bro.
Uh-oh. Now you face bad. Now you face bad.
Yeah? It's not sailing. It's sailing.
I don't know.
The ceiling will have the
Yeah,
background.
water.
No?
Yeah? Yeah, let's go.
Guys, please let us know which one is this one. What song is this one? We know. You know. Okay.
Boom boom back.
Take it to the east side, take it to the west. One.
Let's go.
Gotta do. Eh? Take it to the east side, take it to the west. Take it to the front, take it to the back.
Damn, these parts are just flying
Bro,
by.
bro.
just keeping and the
It's
nice
gonna be the
parts,
best, bro. The best parts are going by just like
come
that.
on.
In the comments,
Damn.
somebody said this is a full performance.
Bro,
And we thought it was a full
full
performance.
performance. And they
Just clips of each song they performed.
Damn.
Yeah. Take it to the east side, take it to the west.
Come on, man.
I won't lie, it's going crazy.
Bro.
Their tour is definitely going crazy. I won't lie.
Bro,
Crazy.
every
I'm really
performance,
loving,
bro.
Yeah, I'm
Every
really loving
performance.
it. I'm really loving it. I can't wait till they perform in different cities,
Hey,
bro.
bro, because
Different
obviously
cities, LA.
wanna see different crowd,
Different
the
crowd,
energy
you know.
that they'll
And
give.
since it's a world tour, I hope they
They travel
take it,
to
a different country, a different country as well. So guys, please let us know if you know that there is performances in a different country beside America. Please let us know what country is that.
Yes, sir.
You know,
let us know, and please let us know. Give us a link or let us know where to find a full-on, literally full-on performance, not you know.
We literally thought that this was the full performance, but it's not.
But shout out to Iris Ray.
shout
She's
out.
actually giving us, rather than having different kind of clips, you know, the ones previous we've been reacting to. It's
This is
it's
way
okay.
better.
It's okay.
Way
You know?
better.
Shout out to her. And then I kind of see she also trying to escape copyright as well. You know. So shout out to her. It's better than nothing, you know.
It's way better than nothing.
We're actually grateful to even have this kind. In Japan, they won't give you these, bro.
Bro, because
They
you're
won't
not
give you
allowed.
these. This is LA, and I think they allow FanCam, so we're actually getting this. So I'm really grateful.
Mostly appreciated.
Truly appreciated. Shout out to Iris Ray. Hey. Hey. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Manacho, let's go. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I really love the top he has on.
Yeah,
It's fire.
Too much.
The blue stripes. Yeah. She had to cut the perfect parts, man. Crazy. Yes.
Okay. Okay, I feel like she was taking videos and then she stopped taking and then she enjoyed the moment and then she started again. I think it was like that. I think because she wasn't like really full on the whole performance. She also had her own time to enjoy, you know. Okay, but shout out to her. This is crazy.
When you go into concert like this and then you have like a chance to like you're allowed to take vids, I would recommend you get like a camera with so much space that would actually capture every moment. You just place it somewhere, you know, and then you have the time to relax. Like you don't have to do anything or touch the camera.
That means but the thing is that this is a concert with a lot of people around you. Where are you gonna place your camera?
That's the thing. You better find an angle. A lot of people like there are people with full on, you know.
Or if like you're shooting content, like you're a content creator, then just get a cameraman who will take you and the whole concert. Crazy. Just like that.
Either way,
it's better like that.
So you don't miss it.
Yeah, you don't miss a moment. A personal cameraman.
Well, I like his pants.
Bro,
he's really dripped up.
Fire. Hey.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh wow. All the best parts of each song were cut out. Shawty, you.
Let me introduce ourselves quickly. Standing people.
And having fun.
Are you guys ready?
Be first.
Let them know.
Shawty, what do you?
Love that dress code. Damn. Love that dress code.
First of all, I want to say thank you. Best is in here, Los Angeles. Thank you. Thank you so much.
LA. Los Angeles.
You know what? My first world tour just have started right now.
Yes, sir. First world tour.
With you guys at the first time, yeah? Did you think so? Right. How you guys feel? Remember? Actually, we arrived in LA like 7 days ago. Yeah, right. Talk about it. I didn't want you. I'm not well.
I will react to this part.
Thank you so much.
This is when they were taking a breather, you know. After they had danced so much and then they had to not, you know, to like get back their strength for the next performance.
I was in LA. Where did you go? Yeah, awesome. I went
Coachella. So they actually went to Coachella. I would be fire if they actually have like accounts where they post their own vlogs, you know, like individual accounts where they post vlogs, activities, you know.
That'll be fire.
That'll be fire.
Goat or God? Or greatest of all time.
Greatest of all time. The GOAT.
Hey, you remember the new word, right?
Yeah, I think I saw comment there. They say I don't know if it's Sota and Sky High and Leo. I think met the CEO, one of the CEO of XG, and they took a flight together.
That's fire. That's
Hopefully they spoke plans, collaborations.
That'll be fire. XG and and those are the two so far for me the
That'll
two
be
best
fire.
in Japan.
Bro, because
My favorite pop band is
female.
actually not just P-pop. Pop band.
Female
pop band is XG.
Damn, but just imagine
Now be
XG's energy. Be
first
first
energy.
Collaboration.
Fusion.
That would be crazy. That would be
Bro,
fire.
that would be fire, bro.
That would be extremely crazy.
That would be crazy, bro.
Hello, you handsome.
Handsome. Bro is blushing.
Blushing. Bro is blushing, bro.
I saw the X, you were in the private jet.
I don't know if it's them. Probably it's the person. I don't know. Is it Juno and Manato?
The one with the private jet.
Yeah, I think the guys that went on the private jet are the one that met the CEO of actually and Sky High as well. I hope I'm not wrong because I saw it in the comments.
I think because it was the day of Coachella, so they had to, you know.
And X
Actually,
was
was
there.
at the Coachella. Post Malone.
So yeah, we have to go on next song. Let's go. What's the next song?
Okay, this is just 4 of them.
Hey.
This
Yeah.
sounds like slow jam.
Yeah.
Hey. Let's let us know.
You know what's the name of
Which
this
song is this? No, we haven't reacted to this one. We haven't.
At all.
And it sounds so fire. Yeah?
Ooh.
Mm.
Okay, what an entrance.
Okay. What is it?
Yeah?
Damn, this French shifts.
Bro.
This is actually a very new song.
It's SOS.
Oh, SOS. No, I haven't reacted to it. I haven't reacted to SOS and the previous one with the 4 of them.
Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
SOS.
Hey,
SOS. Fire. Sounds fire.
SOS. SOS.
Oh, S.
Oh, crazy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's only 3 of them.
Hey.
They said they were going to perform great. I don't know the solo song that will be
I think it's Ruhei's solo
released
song or
on the
I don't know if
28th
it's
of
their
May.
solo song.
That's what they said they will perform it, but so far I haven't heard. Yeah?
So tough, going crazy.
Bro.
Damn, bro, it's spazzing.
Bro.
Yo,
Down.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Master plan, let's go.
Hey.
Yeah?
Hey.
Hey. S-T-E-R. I go. Damn, guys, we're trying to catch up.
Yo,
We're trying to catch
the
up.
phone shifting
You know?
here is crazy.
It's crazy. We're trying to catch up.
Bear with us, guys.
Yeah?
I think the part is coming.
Yes, sir.
Ryoki really had energy at the LA concert, eh? He really had so much energy. I love it. Yeah?
This scream.
Yeah. I love that.
So scream down.
Yeah? Ryo. Scream. Let's go. That's when he jumps.
Damn, yo.
Yes, sir.
Yo.
Yeah, but besides all the frame shifting, I'm loving it.
I'm loving it.
Because
I'm
we
loving
didn't
it.
get all these,
You
you know.
get all this.
The previous reactions that reacted were just parts.
Parts. Sure.
Short parts. But this is nice. This is
Shout
fire.
out to
What's
this
her
is
name?
fire. Iris Ray. I
Yeah,
think it's
shout out
Iris
to
Ray.
her.
If I'm not
Shout out to
mistaken,
her. And
Iris
guys,
Ray.
if there is a full-on performance, like the full-on performance,
Drop
drop it down
Yeah.
in the comments and definitely react to it.
Yes, sir. And
If
for
you
those,
want us to react to it,
yes, sir. And for those that say, your comment was deleted. It's not by us, but it's by YouTube. YouTube really doesn't allow people to comment links for some reason. Some people can, some people can't.
Yeah.
so
For
we
some
don't know why.
reason. So we don't know why your comment was deleted, but if you sent in a link and it was deleted,
Try sending it to our socials.
I'm extremely sorry, but you can as well just write down the name of the channel where we can go find the video that you want us to react to.
Sir.
Or you can just go on our socials.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
you can also go on our socials,
Personally,
right in the bio and on the
DM us
video
as well.
right up here.
Yes, sir.
You can definitely DM us the links
links,
or send us the video.
Yeah.
Or what video you'd love us to react to.
Yes, sir.
So yeah.
Yes, sir.
Definitely having fun.
I really wish I was there, man.
Bro,
If I was in the States, I would go
see me
to
on
every
stage.
state.
you'll see me on stage.
Bro,
I'll
you
actually
think
go
I'm
to
first, bro?
I'll actually go to every state and watch them.
definitely,
Every state, bro.
Definitely.
Yeah. Yeah.
We saw videos of this part as well, like short clips as well. Guys, please let us know what song is this. Is this a new song or a song like the plan for to perform at the tour in America? Yeah, please let us know because this song sounds fire.
For sure.
Hey, hey, found you.
This when the crowd's going crazy.
Finally found you. Hey, hey, finally found you. Hey, hey, finally found you. Damn, screaming her lungs out.
Shiny one.
Yeah. Anyone be the one? Going. Be the one, be the one.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
Be the one, be the one. Cause we going. Go. He threw it up and brought it back down. Oh, that was fire.
That was fire, bro.
Crazy.
Damn.
And we're going all in.
Bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely. Actually did fit. Going. Going. Be the one, be the one. Yeah. Yes, sir. Sailing. Seems like she was up close, eh?
Yeah, she was.
She was definitely up close. Sailing. All of a sudden I went crazy. Hey,
Crazy.
Why is she doing this?
Bro, I agree with you.
Hey, what song is this?
Oh, goodbye. I think it's bye, goodbye. Yeah.
Hey,
This Vesusa was going crazy. Hey.
Ryoki.
Bro.
It's always a competition between Ryoki and Soda, bro. Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Wow.
Them folks.
Goodbye.
Blissful.
To the left, to the right.
To the left.
To the east, to the right. Peaceful. I feel so peaceful.
This is going to be the last song.
Oh, everyone's sad now.
Let's go.
Let's sing together.
Let's go.
Amazing night.
For sure. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Ah.
Yeah.
I feel so blissful.
To the front, to the back.
To the left, to the best.
To the top with the best.
I feel so blissful. Yeah. I feel so blissful.
To the front, to the back.
To the top with the best. I feel so blissful.
Yeah. Let's go.
I feel so blissful. To the front, to the right.
To the top with the best. Blissful. To the left, to the right.
To the left, to the right.
To the front, to the back.
I feel so blissful.
sir.
It was
This
a
was
blast, bro. Damn, the boys are tired.
Obviously.
They are
Definitely
tired.
tired.
Look at that.
Damn.
Look
They
at
really
that.
put on a performance.
Really
Definitely. So much energy.
Bro.
Fire,
That's it.
fire.
Yes, sir.
Damn, you gotta be ready
Bro.
mentally to go on a tour,
Bro.
because it's draining. You gotta put in your best energy.
Especially for them, it's the first time. You have to leave a good first impression.
Yeah.
Definitely. I'm sure they now know the feeling of a tour, like the draining
Bro.
And it's just begun, eh?
begun.
There's no way they have felt it yet.
Just
Halfway
begun.
through, they will
No
definitely
going
feel it.
back.
There is
No going back.
No, but shout out to them for the first tour. They actually put in the work.
Definitely put in a
They actually put in the work. Shout out to them. Shout out to the
Shout
boys.
out
I'm
to
really
them.
proud of them.
Bro.
Won't lie.
For the first
proud
time.
to be a bestie.
Bro, for the first time, this is good.
First.
This is at the end.
First.
The chance.
First. Hey. They came back out.
I'm sure they had to come because there was
people
chanting
chanting
their
their
name. Yeah.
First, they want you guys. They want the producers. Were like, they want you guys out there.
They had to come back anyway. Remember,
One more song.
remember their interview. I don't know what's that guy's name. It's like in what's this in LA or
We
America.
bark.
We bark. Yeah, I got the experiencing now,
That's
bro.
what
They
experiencing,
barking,
man.
bro.
One more song.
What song?
She's like 3 more songs.
Hey, bro.
Yeah?
Boom, boom, back.
Yeah?
What song is this?
Yeah? Hey, Leo, let's go.
Okay.
The energy's still there, bro.
Just
Still
got
there.
energy. It's in me. Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah.
Do we know? What song is that?
Bro.
Finally, they gave LA some extra songs, eh?
Some extra songs.
Extra performance.
Yeah. No way. Oh, you ladies know. Fire.
Crazy.
Fire.
Shout out to them.
That was a nice bonus.
That was a nice bonus. Shout out to the
Now
boys.
they're satisfied. Now they're satisfied.
Damn.
It was so good.
It was
Like,
great.
I'm
It was
just-
amazing.
And
Totally agree.
friends of mine. It was so cute. Everyone was so nice.
Yeah.
I don't
She
even.
met a lot of friends.
It was really nice. It was a
Definitely.
good experience.
Yes, sir.
You can see
Oh,
she's
here's my
tired
little
though.
lanyard.
VIP.
VIP, yes, sir.
I don't even know what to say. It was just a good time. It was good
Yeah, she looks
vibes.
excited, right?
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yes,
Shout
sir.
out.
Shout out to you, Iris Ray. Iris Ray. Shout out to you. Shout out for this lovely content you put up. Shout out to you.
This is crazy.
And shout out to Basti. Shout out to B First. Shout out to BMSG. Shout out to Japan.
Shout
out to LA
for
Damn,
the
for putting
energy.
on for the boys. Damn.
This is
You
lovely.
can tell that besties are everywhere.
Damn.
Shout out. This was a lovely
It definitely was.
concert.
Content. Concert as well. And shout out to Iris Ray for putting out this. And even though some of the best parts were chopped out, but we definitely got a glimpse of how the whole concert worked. That's what we actually wanted. But if you do have the full on concert of this
video of this concert,
in LA,
drop
definitely love it.
Don't be
Yes,
scared.
sir.
Definitely react to that if you want us to react to
Yeah,
that.
Yes,
for
sir.
sure. Jump for it.
You know,
Yeah.
but
We
we
know
still
more is still coming up.
Yes, sir.
More is
More is still
up.
coming out. We're still satisfied with this one. We actually know how it all went down, and that's what we're actually curious about.
Yeah.
But if there is a full one,
Don't be
we'll
scared.
definitely react to it
Yeah,
for
sure.
you guys. But more is still coming.
Definitely.
Can't wait to see them on the next state or city, wherever they're going to go. I'm excited. Really, we are on standby.
Yeah,
We're just
standby.
waiting
On
for
our
y'all
toes,
to
guys.
let us know where and when, how, and we'll give it to y'all.
Yeah, everything.
Yes, sir.
But if you made it this far, don't forget to like,
Comment,
share,
subscribe,
and all that good
and
stuff.
don't forget to turn your notifications so notify every time. Wait, y'all.
Yes, sir. And catch us on the next one.
Cause we are out of here. Dude, say,
Sir.